Ain't damn sure that pilot washed his hands and sealed his fate. Pleased to meet you, hope you guess my name. But what's puzzling you is the nature of my game. I stuck around St. Petersburg when I saw it was time for a change. I killed the Tsar and his ministers. Anastasia screamed in vain. I run a tank, held a general's rank, while the blitzkrieg raged and the bodies stank. Pleased to meet you, hope you guess my name. What's puzzling you is the nature of my game. Oh yeah. I watched you while your kings and queens fought for 10 decades for the gods they made. I shouted out who killed the Kennedys, when after all it was you and me. Let me please introduce myself. I'm a man of wealth and taste, and I lay traps for the troubadours who got killed before they reached Bombay. Pleased to meet you, hope you guess my name. But what's puzzling you is the nature of my game. Pleased to meet you, hope you guess my name. But what's puzzling you is the nature of my game. Just as every cop is a criminal and all the sinners saints, as heads and tails call me Lucifer, 'cause I'm in need of some restraint. So if you meet me, have some courtesy, have some sympathy, have some taste. Use all your well-earned politics, or I'll lay your soul to waste. Pleased to meet you, hope you guess my name. But what's puzzling you is the nature of my game.
Thank you very much.